You can't make that say that we trade and pound. So I'm more than a dear for Sania and what they were. Yeah, actually, I'm to Libya, me her life music.
Okay.
Or big man Ghana. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the actually me Newtonia. I feel I'm Adam. Maybe.
Udi no ne one no. On say, oh yeah, white dread, right?
Yeah.
But now me expecting someone. Let me say one you first now. I was expecting somebody to get like Obias or yeah hardcore something. But I'll tell you man, as a soft good boy. Can you picture me secret in here dandy?
Yeah. The Pedriano yana juma different. And I spirit in a woman mono so yana juma different.
So mine.
Yeah, so many different. You know, said the woman no. Sanity, but the woman mono so what the yeah.
I said oh yeah, Osati here how long me?
Yeah, me here no man check a crab, but me here serious say what say me so me nya get I think say 5 years in it. Yeah.
5 years. Now get there a crab there.
Trade am pon that room yes na no.
Okay, na just say the afa.
Yeah, be kan say.
Ehefa nkasa na wo rap ehefa Accra na Kumasi.
Yeah, me Kumasi nti mabafie.
Wow, Kumasi rap na rap.
Kasi.
Nice. See, me person me busa question we say, on say enyom to. Abe very big. Competition here very big. O singing. And we industry is we have a lot of singers. Woman, they are doing amazing. A boom one and I'm finna trade say, adi ami Charlie. Kofo no mo ya they know how to do it. Me like who finna trade to be say enyoma.
Yeah, me da say. Embo bi hu da. Obi ye ne de. Yeah, inti me so me ya me de. Inti me make sure say me de na me ni yie. Said be ya said me susu said that me do no, but me do. Yeah, inti no bia bibia mbo me hu. Ye nyina ye try de. Mre no so e bi twa.
Okay. The bia no we bo mo industry.
There be them abambo kra de me hu bi da.
Wow. Are you getting the support as an artist? And so are you getting that support?
Yeah, me da say. So we any year supporting the baba. Me wanna say no. Yes and say me kind or yes and no. This is supporting the back akranka kranya me adom nti no. Obi so obi am say a check music me enwompa. Me ye dwuma nti no obi ani aba me ho. Now, yeah.
Wow. Actually, maybe so onyom so you have a lot of songs, right?
Yeah.
So for artists be an onyom onyom.
Me ne Raskuku onyom. Me ne Paluta onyom. Me ne Kwame Yogurt, me ne Galaxy. Me ne Amache the rapper. Yeah, for now the over there.
Which of them is your favorite? Only artist winning now. Which of the song is your favorite?
Obia, but the meeting Maka said, me pen asem. Yes, me pay me Obia asem, but the way mommy feel like Paluta.
Okay.
Yeah, because me know about 3 songs. Yeah.
Wow. Paluta.
Yeah.
3 songs.
Yeah.
Wow. How did you get Paluta on the song? Like, see, Paluta is very hot and how did you manage to get him on a song?
Yeah. And nothing I make us say, on me pen asem. Me then you man no. Say be a bro. Me person me dey me be mom. Me dey can friend say me my nyum be ba me say o kasa wo so e be do akiri. Na say akiri no and I'm so what me say nyum no man. Nti me dey nyum no man no. Na dey che me kwa madam sorry no wa the universe na na me say wow. Na me friend so my men kasa.
Sadin, how was the feeling?
Me na ye me say be a o say ni bibi na mo ba na me di me say me verse no o say me over.
Wow.
Yeah,
this is serious.
Me tie na me say wow. Paluta was say yeah. Paluta you good. Yeah.
Alright, so and you now the king Paluta here. If you saw mama one lie, I was sad and you only king Paluta.
I see. And come and pie one is a menu, your benya, be our hammy. Monsieur Piacon, consam mammy, so by no one to me. But Yamina Chicacra said, ever I know you now wants to me. Sika Salmon Quan, Sika Sam, Debia, Sika Salmon Quan, I made Jane. Yeah.
It's also Piscapa.
Yeah. Yeska.
Uyeska.
Yeska.
Alrighty. After only came Paluta, what next? And you been on here?
Yeah, me ne Paluta me ye Kaime.
Okay.
And I'm Kwana me ye
Kaime.
Yeah.
And then motivate you because listen to us on you like titles on like and then motivate you for you to because Kaime ne sabi we can't be and can penny for us more. But younger like you talking about Sani man, what motivates you for you to do those songs?
Yeah, me da say na ma me different. Like me ye me nyoma me di kan ye me ne Raskuku ye bibia ba ye fine. Ba na ma hwa ye fine. Nti na wo say me hu say abusuafo ne hu say na me bom pa say be ye na ye nto mon kai me na me ye boa me. E na ye me ne Amache the rapper. Isi abusua na me free mu no. Ai. Dem ni me si free mu no kwadwo no krani ye nkama asem. Ti me wona say empema asem. Ya yin ku ni ma free ma kwa mu. Ya di nku ku asima kwa. me the blow boko fin sabedu na me bo na me nyanta kra bia metu yes mani da so asan trauma ma brabo mo tamia jobetu ti se obebo me a bo me obi amwa
na you say said you can the onion nankasa and your personal life
sir
and I would throw you
sir
wow
tiene ma me ni Paluta be ye sikase mansa me be ye kai me no
okay
because obi amwa na de was me say my 6 feet ni so ti me say mati free na me ba man she obi a okwam matwemi ni kana me sa onua e wasem feel free chale feel okay femo di afare me no ke I sensem devian sensem why you shouting sem no me sure ya to say me ba wi asi ba jimi di ma ba dwi obi hu ti mi nim ram de sell sika sem kwa sika sem devia sika sem kwa na me dwi because my who say emwa ni nyina ni sika
okay okay hey Charlie onu mu nsem no utie mpemfo ni benuma na ho na utie ho na onya inspiration free ne
ade ba ko wasi ehun say music is spiritual thing
okay
so one ti obi a me menwum no minim da meka se me fa book na na say me bet na search eba nti dey me meet my record 3 songs
a day
yeah
wow
yeah nti no eba na wase me ye wa na no studio cause me obi abedi me ne you got on me obi abedi I think say you new one aba eno man sure etuana am say that be accommodate me say bibi to me a ena ma bibi ba me so ani je ba me ya ani je no ore ho ba me ye je ba ba bia broken heart ba no waye cause ade bia ba tu bia wase unya so mfa so
okay
untimi ma bibi nto na bibia ma so ti de ba to wa bra bom bia ye mfa so de ma ochena
okay
ti bibia bia me famu wa bra bom bia me make sure say eyenwum achede na me won de me so me de be ye bibi
wow
yeah
wow sometimes the artist be kasa who say oh type oh yeah like what type of song do you do we think like so no or you baby because or you musician
yeah
who understand what I'm trying to say into what type of song and young type na way
me her life but the ebe bia me
her life
yeah but her life and kasana me
wow so listeners ye beti achede anyum baako at least for us to know who we talking to. As you get ready, always actually your question there. The number is 0505-790020. You bet you actually you know who actually na ye kana. Did you only tell me let's go? So okay, will be abedi. Who you na sisi kasem? Yeah.
Nti scanning was so won di.
Yeah.
Sometimes you know okọ kronki to ani ma ye say o fa o feature out me twa board there. Say you know say we need ska sabi ye wadro kro beto agu ndova yeso a ebe so ama wadidi.
Okay.
Nti bibia iska.
Nice.
Say na me kan bibia iska.
Like bia iska. Bibia
bibia no we iska.
Oh EP bia e ba na ye expecting album.
Yeah, next 2 months me the EP ba.
EP. Sir.
Yeah.
It better than EP this. Gifted.
Yeah.
Wow. Feature artists be reviews like should we expect superstars be also na?
Yeah, Galaxy also.
Wow.
And when they say
hey
artists be also a drum na I say songs pe.
Chalo is sharp.
That's
Hey. Wow, social media handles here then before we continue.
Yeah.
Before we listen to other songs.
Okay. Facebook ya achede enyum.
Facebook
ya achede ni AKYDI. And social media by bia only Facebook pen ya achede by bia ya achede music.
Achede music.
Yeah.
Let me take you back to TikTok. On this year, say follow Ghana how music industry in the corner. Ubia releasing your you've seen videos and all that on TikTok. I go for your videos to promote the song and all that. Do you have with a new song out there, babe? Have you created anything like that on TikTok? We've been suit your best or do video. We have access to your song and do videos for you.
Yeah, me that's it. Actually, menu now all the platform. What's that you TikTok or be actually music. Ye be actually obi abedi do be actually boa me. Bibi abe fine me no skuku. Zozo XO zozo no say actually enyum. And water bam and no say afro pop am a piano no be. Me say dem make me bibi abi. Nti no bo actually I open me more TikTok. Yeah, obenya.
All right, so let's listen to one more song, different song from Achede. I am song gonna DJ drop it right now. Let's go. Can you share me Achede?
Right, I'm seeing Achede.
Serious.
The songs, the vibe alone, Charlie. The guy is Achede Ampa.
I tell you.
And I believe the Ghana folks should watch out for this young chap. Charlie.
Solid.
Yes, because what Say you see the force be bano. Also, it's not Bemungu.
Yeah.
Yes, and that is a true mark of a legend. True mark of a legend, my G.
Serious.
Yes. I said, yeah.
Bombo, no, yes, I see bombo maybe.
Yes, one more time, the rewind.
Now you're born with no tea now, born, I don't crack.
I bet zero.
I bet chickity.
I know what thing.
Actually, I mean, sure. Like so, any thank yous like, also a dunk for Biasia. You're rapping about it.
Yeah, me that's it. Yeah, the kind me I said I more trading on point. Your ball me ball. Customer me I said I my manager, Mr. Smooth, Quadrantry or UK. Me I said I my road manager. What to GH.
Nice.
Yeah. Me chair also. Boss back up. Me chair will be a Vegas, Castle phone na Ghana phone na.
Wow.
Me chair will be a support actually music. We be a patch then me danasi. Yeah.
Who social media handles maybe?
Actually music. Yeah. And a Facebook actually nyum. TikTok, YouTube, audio mark, baby, I actually music.
Nice one. Mr. Tabnako, you wanted to say something? Come be actually.
What a bum.
Hey, that song, eh?
Our group will be on. Oh, what? Like, what do you mean, Tinamia?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
What a
bum. The word GD, what the bum, what the what's that make a ground was that?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
That's right now. So, we have one big talent in Ghana. Let's go stream his music and promote him. On a regular, bit my part, no, the snap, and what I say, what about now, snap, now we share with the hashtag, what about Achedian music. These are the talents we should be harnessing and we should be promoting in Ghana.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course. Thank you, my brother.
That's right there.
Thank you. So, folks out there, this is Achedia.